My name is Ian. I'm the owner of SolarLink. SolarLink is a renewable energy and technology company. We're a full-service solar energy EPC. This particular project involved 117 kilowatts of power generation and 216 solar panels. The client wanted to offset as much energy as possible that they're consuming here, and we installed that with HYXiPOWER 1000 watt microinverters. For the client especially is that it offers them panel level monitoring, so they could view on their app what every single panel is doing. If there's ever an issue, we can go directly to the problem, or have an idea on going directly to the problem, because we could see that individual panel that is not responding properly, if that is the case, or needing some troubleshooting.
I mean, literally all you have to do is just bolt in the microinverter, plug it into the panel, and then go onto the app, enter in your serial number on the microinverter, and it's set up and ready to go. Not all brands come with that, and when you don't, you have to buy a whole nother system called an optimizer, and when you have to buy that, that also adds on to the cost. Having that built into the HYXiPOWER products is a very, very good touch.
The reason we did solar is to get the economic offset of free energy. We went off for the microinverters based off of SolarLink's recommendation there. It seemed like the best fit the way he described it. We didn't have to have multiple large inverters. We had the redundancy of those multiple inverters there that we could replace and only have a couple panels down at a time if one of them went out.
I highly recommend HYXiPOWER microinverters because of their 1000 watt capabilities on the microinverters, as well as their customer service. We're always relying on power now. This gives us the opportunity to have our own power and generate it, at our home and business.